So we're here in El Poblado, one of the most popular areas in all of Medellin, all of Colombia. As you see, they got a bunch of little stores and stuff like that. We'll walk you over here to this park. A lot of people are over here like, oh, it's like third world, this and that. This is first world living. Wait till you see this park. I'm gonna turn the camera around. Look at this. Look at this. Ready? It's actually a pretty special time right now because it's kind of light out, but they got the lights on as well. Lots of people just hanging out at the park. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take you guys on a nice walking tour and show you guys around the area, give you guys a little narration as well so you guys can kind of get a good look at what it's like here. All right, so as you guys see here is a bunch of stores, people over here working. So I just got me a empanada, that little stand there. As you see, it's actually really good. Potato and beef. Stores, restaurants on this strip. It's pretty safe. See the cops drive around. Pretty nice. They actually have these named differently. This one's called Ingreso. I'm gonna walk you guys through. A lot of people selling stuff, but nobody really harassing you, so that's cool. Heard in Cartagena that they definitely harass you a bit more, so we'll see. Right now, it doesn't look like much, right? You got all these nice little restaurants, bars. You can go to the liquor store, grab some alcohol, put your alcohol in your slushie. You got hookah. Right now it's pretty empty, but it's still super early. It's only like maybe 5:30 or 6 o'clock right now. Later tonight, this whole thing is gonna be wild. So right now we're just kind of giving you a walkthrough of what it's like while it's still light out. Give my camera some good lighting. But the reason I chose this time to come down here and do this is because I knew the lights would be on, so you guys could actually see how magical it is. It's actually very nice out here. I'm gonna come back out here later tonight and show you guys what it's like when it gets a little bit darker outside. As you see, this street is called Salida. If I'm butchering these names, people, I'm sorry. Stop and try this out. Oh, looks pretty good. One of these, you know? Here. So I'm gonna sit here for a minute and I'm gonna eat this chicken, see how it is. It's actually pretty good. Can't complain, better than KFC. We're back walking again. Still got that chicken, it was really big. Lasted a long time. I'm gonna turn the camera around because as you guys can see back there, they got another entrance called Ingreso. So we're still in El Poblado. This is an area called Provenza, very popular. A lot of restaurants, couple clubs, bars, very fancy. I'm gonna walk you guys in there and show you what it's like. As you'll notice, they have an entire neighborhood. It's crazy. It's like goes for blocks and blocks, or even a couple of miles of just nice restaurants, clean streets, bars, clubs. Very nice. I'm gonna show you guys what all of this looks like at night in a couple of hours once it gets live, because it looks a little dead now, but let me tell you, it's like, it's way different once it gets later and it's not 6 o'clock at night. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the mall and I'll be back in a couple hours. So we're at the Santa Fe Mall in Medellin. What we're gonna do is just walk through the mall, show you guys what it's about, and if it's cool enough and there's enough to show you, maybe I'll even turn it into a separate video. Leave a comment and let me know if you guys wanna see me leave this in a different video. Security guard, as soon as I came in, said I cannot film jewelry, but everything else is okay. So for any YouTubers watching, don't film the jewelry. But yeah, this mall is really nice. I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. I don't know why. Take a look at this. Alright, so we are in Provenza right now. We just got done eating and we're gonna continue to show you what this place looks like at night. Take a look at this. As you'll see, there's a lot of restaurants, bars, clubs here. Now it's nighttime, so you're gonna be able to see what it's like. It's about 9 o'clock at night, so it'll probably get more packed closer to 11. But I want to put my camera equipment away pretty soon, and I'll get some shots when I come back a little bit later without all my camera equipment.